Are you tired of snacking guilt but can't resist those midday cravings? What if I told you there's a way to snack smarter without packing on the pounds? In today's video, we're diving into the world of low-calorie snacks that are not only satisfying, but also totally guilt-free. Snacking often gets a bad reputation, but when done right, it can actually support your weight loss goals and keep your energy levels steady. But how do you pick the right ones? Let's explore. Today, we'll uncover what makes a snack low-calorie. Can you snack on the go and stay healthy? Delicious snack ideas under 100 calories that you'll love. Let's jump right in. What's the magic number that keeps a snack healthy yet satisfying? Low-calorie snacks are typically under 150 to 200 calories per serving. They should be nutrient-dense, offering vitamins, fiber, or protein without the empty calories from sugar or unhealthy fats. Examples: compare a 100-calorie pack of almonds, healthy fats and protein, with 100 calories of chips, mostly empty carbs. It's not just about the calories, it's about what you're getting for those calories. Think of snacks as mini fuel-ups for your body. Can you snack healthy when you're always on the move? Portable options: pre-portioned nuts, almonds, pistachios, string cheese or Greek yogurt, fresh fruits like apples, bananas, or clementines. Keep a stash of these in your bag or car, and you'll never be tempted by unhealthy vending machine snacks again. Pair snacks with water. Dehydration often feels like hunger and leads to overeating. What are some snacks you can enjoy guilt-free that won't even hit 100 calories? Veggies and dip. Carrot sticks with 2 tablespoons of hummus, approximately 80 calories. Crunchy, creamy, and packed with fiber and protein. Popcorn. 3 cups of air-popped popcorn, approximately 90 calories. A whole grain snack that satisfies your salty cravings. Hard-boiled eggs. 1 egg, approximately 70 calories. Protein-packed and perfect for keeping hunger at bay. Frozen grapes. 1 cup, approximately 62 calories. A naturally sweet treat that feels like candy. Cottage cheese with berries. 1/2 cup cottage cheese with a handful of blueberries. 100 calories. Rich in protein and antioxidants, this snack feels indulgent. Try making your snacks visually appealing. Presentation matters more than you think when fighting cravings. We've explored what makes a snack truly low-calorie, shared tips for snacking on the go, and given you a list of delicious options under 100 calories. The key is to plan ahead and make mindful choices. Which of these snacks are you going to try first? Or do you have a favorite low-calorie snack to share? Let us know in the comments below. Ready to snack smarter and stay on track with your weight loss goals? We're giving away our free low-calorie snack guide. Discover easy, delicious recipes you can prepare at home. Don't miss out. Download your copy now and start snacking the healthy way. Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.